Hindi mo papansin te na bakit yung mga corrupt, good things always happen to them, while naman yung mga taong lumalaban ng patas, mababait, bad things tend to happen to them. I-explain ko sa'yo te why. The reality is, the universe doesn't care if you are a bad person or a good person. Si universe is neutral siya. The universe doesn't read if you are a bad or a good person. It only reads your energy. It only reads your frequency. So for example lang te, di ba? Yung mga taong corrupt, yung mga nasa higher ups, di ba? Parang wala silang paki sa ibang tao kasi hindi nila na-feel na guilty sila while they are doing those things. So meron kasing frequency chart, ito yung frequency chart. So sa frequency chart na yan, yan yung parang nababasa lang ni universe. Kung ano yung frequency mo, kung ano yung energy na vina-vibrate mo, yun lang yung nababasa niya. So for example, ikaw, di ba? Mabait ka nga, ganyan. Always kang nagbibigay, pero maybe yung energy mo, yung root cause ng pagbibigay mo is in a form of people pleasing. Just for the sake of other people to appreciate you. Para masabing hindi ka masamang tao, para masabing mabait ka para sa kanila, para sa perspective nila. If ganun yung ginagawa mo you are operating in a scarcity mindset. You are operating in fear. Yung fear na energy mo yun lang din yung nare-read ni universe. Yung frequency na ino-operate mo, yun lang yung nababasa niya. On the other hand, yung mga taong corrupt, the thing is, hindi sila nakaka-feel ng guilt, hindi sila nakaka-feel ng fear while they are doing all of those things. So, ang nare-read lang ni universe sa kanila is they want something kasi alam nilang deserve nila yung bagay na yun. Like kahit malunod pa yung ibang tao, basta makuha lang nila kung ano yung gusto nila, ibe-bless pa rin sila. Kasi nag-ooperate sila in a higher frequency. Yun lang din yung nare-read ng universe. Hindi binabasa ni universe yung values mo, yung moral mo Kasi yung moral natin yung values natin, yung laws, rules, and regulations na meron tayo is man-made. Gawa lang natin yan. Again, you need to remember na walang bad or good thing. Ang meron lang is negative and positive energy. So, it's either saan ka mag-operate sa positive or negative energy ka, yun lang yung i-read ni universe. Wala siyang pakita if mabuting tao ka, if lagi ka nagbibigay, if corrupt ka, wala siyang pakita. Kung ang nare-read niya sa energy mo is you are operating in a fear, you are operating in a scarcity mindset, yun lang din yung ma-receive mo. This is just a reminder na bago mo gawin yung isang bagay, make sure na aligned yon sa energy mo. For example, if magbibigay ka sa ibang tao, make sure na you are operating in love. You are doing it because you love giving. You are not doing it para lang ma-please yung ibang tao. Work on your frequency and work on your energy and see how your life change. As in, game changer talaga to. That's all and keep going.